BizValet on keeping tech easy. This is going to be our first video of the series on showing how, as a service company, a small business, how easy it is to integrate technology into your company to get business and manage those clients. So the very first thing we're going over is what is the results of an abandoned cart system. So first off, what's an abandoned cart? And how, this is imperative for people. If you have a website that's generating business, especially online bookings, you need to have an abandoned cart system. And I'm going to show you the results of clients with abandoned carts. And so let's just go right into it right now. This is one of our clients, Family Cleaning here in Seattle. This is their website, which is powered by BizValet, and it's clean. Let's go over again, what happens with abandoned cart, schedule online now, your price. And so first off, abandoned carts happen when people go through a booking form and they fill out the information. So let's just pretend I'm here. I want 3 carpets cleaned. I want to choose a date for Friday. 8:30, and I put some information in. We're gonna say we're Greyhound LLC, so that way it's not a real client. But so a lot of times people will go through and they will just they'll put their credit card in and buy. And this is just like the Amazon experience of being able to know that, hey, I picked a date, I've selected what I want, and now I know that's going to be delivered at 8:30 on the 24th, right? So, but a lot of times it doesn't happen, right? What happens if the client's looking at this, like, oh, I don't like the price, or maybe I want to go with somebody else, or I'm just getting sketchy feelings about it, and they click the X button, or they click the backspace button and go somewhere else, right? Happens. There's no website that's going to capture every single client. Even Amazon, right? You go to Amazon, you're thinking about buying something, you back out. What happens? You get some email about a discount or about a similar product, right? So if they click out of here, it becomes an abandoned cart. This information is captured. So I'm going to go to their site, to their backend, Seattle Family, and this is the abandoned cart records of Seattle Family, and they've given me permission to use their system and to show the results. So I'm going to show you August. So again, the biggest question is, great, I got abandoned carts. What do I do with it? How do I capitalize on it? If I were to click on this, it goes all into the client's information. We captured their name, their phone number, their email, and exactly what they were looking to buy, like everything. And so the system that's set up, well, we'll go over it. So it looks like they've recovered 2 here just in the first week of August, totaling $540, it looks like. That's no joke, $540, right? So 2 out of 10. I go to the next page, 2 out of 10 again, 220 and 240, 204, sorry. And so we're up to like $1,000 already, and this is August 10th. We go to August 1st, 2 more recovered for 180 and 204. So you're looking at, for the month of August, $1,500 and a 20% recovery on just people that went to their site and bounced, right? So I'm going to show you one more client that these people are very heavy in push them to the booking form. I'm going to show you a client that isn't necessarily doing that as much, their results, and then I'm going to show you what these emails kind of look like how is this standard? Is people averaging 20% return? And how are they getting these clients, basically the copy, right? The actual schedule that go out. So we're going to go to one more client right now, 4 Seasons. And these guys they have the book of cleaning, but they're pushing for this, which is, hey, it's all preference on, there's no wrong way to get business, right? Call now. And so they're pushing for the phone call and then converting those clients on this 6 hours man cleaning. And so a lot of people will go out of it. Again, they go through it. Again, this is a site powered by BizValet, but they have their own flavor on it, right? And so you click on the book a cleaning, and it pushes to the booking form, right? Which is the magic of capturing clients that don't want to call, don't want to email, they don't want to talk to someone. It's a 10 o'clock at night and they just want to select their service and know it's going to be, oh, these guys are booked out on the 30th, booked out on the 29th, well, how about the 7th? Okay, there's an opening, and that's a testament to how these guys have a fleet of cleaners, how well online booking systems work, right? So if I go to this, and I fill out the information, this becomes a abandoned cart. I'm going to go to their system, their back end, and you can see that even, again, they're going to have a lot less signed up bookings because that's not what they're pushing people to, but they give them the option, because even if you just want phone calls, you got to give clients the ability of being able to instantly book. Otherwise, all these clients you wouldn't have them. And these are just the abandoned ones, right? So these guys are looking at 2 out of 10 recovered. I go to the next day, 3 out of 10 recovered, 1 out of 5. So these guys have averaged as well about a 20% recovery status. That's just wonderful. This is like $400, $500, $600, $1,000, $1,500. And so the system, I mean, if you don't have an abandoned cart system set up for your booking page, it's crazy, right? You're just throwing clients away. And imagine what would happen if you actually picked up the phone and called these people. Hey, Holly, this is Doug with maids.com, and you just on our site, and you looks like your card didn't go through, or maybe there was a glitch in our system, but we looks like he had you down for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, etc. I'm not going to open that, so get the personal information. And I was just wondering if you had any questions that I could help answer, right? And so if you're good on the phones, you can get even higher than a 20% conversion back. And so we're going to go into the settings for a Seattle family, and the reason, again, why this is very important for your business is you're competing. Hopefully you got some kind of marketing set up, whether it's Facebook ads or Google ads, or you're just writing blogs, or whatever the case is. That money and time that you're investing in marketing, if you want to capitalize as much as you can in getting a return, so you can still compete, right? There's a reason why people are able to spend more money on Google and other people aren't. They don't see the same return. Well, this is why. It's this little tricks like this. So these guys, it looks like amount of inactivity for a marketing cart is abandoned 30 minutes, because some people might go back, they have it minimized. So these guys say, hey, after half an hour of them not putting a credit card, we want to send them an email. Well, what's that email schedule look like? Looks like they got 30 minutes, the email goes out, 1 day and 2 day. Well, guess what? We track all this. BizValet has a backend that tracks, and every single one of these emails convert. It's not just the first one. We limited to 3. We don't want people just spamming the heck out of someone. You go to a person's website, they get 10 emails. No. And so the email template, pretty looks like you're interested in home cleaning. Here's 20% off your first booking. So here's the thing, guys. If they didn't buy your product for the first time, they ain't going to buy it a second time unless you give them some kind of incentive to try it out, right? So looks like you were checking out a service, but not complete your booking. We're a local small business, live in the area and stand behind our work. So what I'm trying to do here, and we wrote this for the, it's like, hey, I'm trying to predict what questions they might have and answer that for them, right? Use discount code WELCOME, 20% off. Thanks for supporting your local small businesses. And then Jamie, the owner of the company. Very personal. And you can see the results. The results are 20%. Is huge, right? And these websites right now, that she's converting like 12 to 13% conversion rate anyways, which in any industry in any website is really good. You're over 10% conversion rate for a website. It's phenomenal. But on top of that, she's even getting higher because of the abandoned booking system. So hope you guys enjoyed this video about how abandoned carts should work. And it's all automated. It just automatically sends an email. And again, this is brought to you by BizValet. Look forward to seeing you guys on our next video and to go over more tips and trips on how to master the art of getting business online and keeping tech easy. All right, guys, bye.